Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can recover your Spotify account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open your browser. So firstly, for example, I'm going to open my browser right here. Then in a new tab, go to the search bar and then search for Spotify. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter and then just go ahead and choose the link log into Spotify. Then once you do that, go ahead and log into your account. So click on login right here. And then you're gonna be here in this page. So basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of these options. You can continue with your Google account, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with your phone number, or right here you can enter your email or username and here enter your password. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is enter your email address right here. Then go ahead and click on forgot your password. Then once you click on forgot your password, you're going to be right here in this page. Reset your password, enter your email address or username, and it will send you a link to get back into your account. So basically, guys, what you need to do, guys, is enter your email address or your Spotify username. So I'm going to enter my email address right here. Make sure that the email address or the username you enter is correct. And then once you do that, just go ahead and click on send link. And then the link will be sent. We're going to tell you right here that the email is sent. We sent you an email. Follow the instructions to get back into your account. So right now, all you need to do, guys, is go to your Gmail. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find this link from Spotify. Just click right here and then follow the steps to reset your password. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.